Here we'll see the continuation of how the images are formed by the concave mirror. Okay. Next is your position at C. When the object is placed at the point C, two rays are possible when it is parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis P. When it is parallel to that, it will be reflected back to the focus point. It is reflected through the focus point. This is F. And one more ray is when it is passes through the focus point. When it is passes through the focus point, it will be reflected back, which is parallel to the principal axis. The meeting point is here. Meeting point is here, and this is your position of the image, right? When the object is position of the image is at C, at the point C itself. What is the nature of the image? The nature of the image is real and inverted. And the size is exactly the same size. Okay, same size. Same size image will be formed when the object is placed at the center of curvature. Okay, next, when the object is placed between C and F, your F is here and P is here. So when the object is placed somewhere between C and F, take this is your object. So draw a parallel line. If it is a parallel line, then it will pass reflected back, pass through the focus point, right? This is a reflected line. Then when the ray, for example, this ray when pass through the center of curvature, this it touches the head and it pass through this, it will be passed like this, right? Somewhat it is parallel to this reflected line. This when the line is passed through the center of curvature, it will reflect it back in the same path only. These two lines are These two lines are parallel to each other. Then at some point you will get a image, right? That is beyond the C only you will get the image. It is real and inverted, and it is enlarged in shape, because see somewhere it will go like this and you will get an enlarged image like this. So it will meet at this point. So for example, so you will get the image here. Okay, you will get the image here. It will meet at point like this and you will get a image here. So the position of the image is beyond C. Nature of the image is real and inverted. And your size is enlarged. When compared to this image, this is enlarged, right? Enlarged. Okay, next, when the object is placed at F, at the focal point. Okay, this is a C, this is a P, and this is your focal point. When the object is placed here, the ray passes through parallel to the principal axis, reflected back through the principal axis, right? Reflected through the principal axis. Then when it is passed through the center of curvature, it will be reflected back like this, right? Reflected back like this, and it will goes like this, and somewhere at infinity you will get the image. Okay, somewhere at the infinity you will get the image. So what is the position of the image? Then it is at at infinity. Okay, infinity. Nature of the object is real and inverted, and your size is highly enlarged. Highly enlarged. Okay, if you see that if the object at this focus point, you will get the image at infinity. In the first case we have seen that when the object is at infinity, we will get the image at the focal point. Okay, remember that. Okay, next, when the object is in between P and F, see, this is your F and this is your P. So the object is in between P and F. For example, it is placed here. Draw a line parallel to the principal axis, then it will pass through the focal point. It will be like this. Okay, it will be like this, and one more line which is pass through the center of the curvature, touching the head, and it goes like this. It goes like this, and this goes. See, if you see this, both these lines are diverging, right? Diverging. It will never meet. Okay. So what we are going to take is, we are going to take these converging points. So it appears to converge here. Both these rays will appears to converge here, and you will get the image here. See? Okay, clear on this? It appears to converge here. These two rays appears to converge here. It will never converge. It is both are in the diverging part. So what is the position of the image here? It is behind the mirror. This is your mirror. Behind the mirror you will get the image. Behind the mirror. What is the nature of the image? It is virtual image. This is not actually appeared. It is not actually converging here. So it is appears to converge. So it is a virtual. It is not a real image. Virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. What is the size of the image? The size of the image is enlarged. See, this is the original object and your image is like this. So it is enlarged. It is enlarged. So these are the image, how the images will be formed on the concave mirror. Clear on this? Okay, thank you.